Who's gonna get it? Nakapasok ang kawit. Time turn. Ginamit. Nice stick with a nice Leslie. He will be the cash. Is he gonna get the load? Nice stick with the Leslie once again. Tempest of Blade took short shot going down. Tempest of Blade just to bail out here. Nakapasok yung Ninja with a shadow kill. Destiny going down. And still with one more hit. That's a double kill. Ninja laban sa katana. Hindi kinaya. Tristan yung lab.
Time kawit naman. Kung kaya na gawin yan, kaya rin namin pumasok.
Grabe yung paggamit ng ano dito. Hayabusa ni Nice Nick. 10-1-6 for the KDA and is destroying this Pampanga right now. May Lord pa. May
Tinatapos! Ngayon! Nako, takbo-takbo at napulbos! May sipa, may conclusive blast, mga balag pa! At yung naurong pa! Ang skill delikado, babalik na! Wow! Wow! What an outbreak coming from Nice Nick that time!
Yeah, but still Unskilled did his job as a roamer, isolating the Leomord.
So sa bot lane, bibigyan nila ang Leslie. Hey! What the shit! Grabe yan! Kaso lang yung kabayo ang sakit. OMG, nagulis yung kabayo. Pero it was a real. And Nice Nick here. Nakikipag-anuhan siya kay kay Gusion. Oh my gosh, ang sakit talaga ng kabayo ni Leomord. Subukan na yung chance ko. Eh, grabe!
May kabayo.
Look at this top lane. Tinatry. Ay, kinabayo si center. Shock! Ang sakit naman ang kabayong yun, guys! Eh, nakakatakot pumasok dun, Lods, ha? Grabe kayo! Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Gagi yung damage talaga ng Leomord, guys! Ito na ka lang. Hey! Hey! Bago lang! Hindi niya alam kung ano yung una.